Welcome to the channel, everyone. It's Michael Tharp, E1U. It starts with you. We are rocking and rolling with AI and Bitcoin. Almost $500 earned now in less than a week. Let's check the leaderboard. Our team is crushing it. All right. My sponsor is number 3. His sponsor is number 1. Almost cracking the top 10. Just need a few more points. I'm at 200 right now. I need 220 to get into the top 10. So today what we're going to do is actually check out some of the AI products and how to use them. That's what a lot of people think, right? Is, oh, there's no product here. There's no value. So let's check it out. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're on our main dashboard. All right, we're going to scroll down. And just so you guys know, you don't have to do this. I'm going to test it out here soon. But a lot of people are messaging me thinking they need to do this. You don't have to, but it is on sale right now. So if you do subscribe, it's $2.99. That's 25% of the original price, so it's 75% off. So that will eventually be $1,200. I will test it out, and if it's good, I'll let you guys know. But we're going to come down here to the credit shop, and we're going to get some of the tools. So the first thing, you're going to select the tool you want to use and activate it using the credits you have available. I have 1,750 credits available. So I'm going to do this email marketing one, mostly to keep in contact with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and activate this. Are you sure you want to spend 150 credits for email marketing? I'll confirm that. Okay. Points have been taken. Now, second, if it's your first credit shop purchase, check your email for access to your E1U app account. All right, so let me open up my email. Okay, so you'll get an email like this saying your account has been created. It'll have your email, and then you're going to click here to log in, and we'll set our password. Okay, so make sure this is your email, and then add your new password in. Okay, once you do that, you'll continue to log in. This is a different page. So we'll go ahead and sign in. And they're going to send a security code. Let's grab that. All right, guys, we are in. I'm excited. I've just been playing around a little bit. Believe it or not, I have never had an email marketing system. So I'm not some whiz kid here. So if I can do this, you can. So the first thing I did is I went to marketing and I just hit new. Okay. I'll show you guys what that looks like. So I'm going to go, let's see if they have templates. I don't know. Oh, they do. I didn't even know that. Oh, sweet. Yeah. So anyways, let's try this one. So I hit the I. Okay, let's try it. We'll hit continue. So, you know, I could just say, welcome to Go E1ULife. Earning Bitcoin with AI and digital marketing. So you guys, you know, you could do this for anything. Again, that doesn't have to be this. This could be your own, another affiliate business you have, a network marketing business, a real world business. This template's here for you. If you wanted to change it, you're going to hit edit, and the image is here. So I can delete it and then add an image, and then you would just upload or connect to your drive. I already added this one photo, so I'll just insert that. Now it doesn't look good because it's so small. I think that's because, oh, it's probably here, yeah. All right, so we can open that up. Okay. So that's a template. I'll save it. And then I'm going to go back and show you guys the one I'm building. So this is the one I started with. So I'm going to click on it to edit it. So basically I was making like a newsletter to send out to everyone who signed up with me in Go E1ULife since I have their emails. So, you know, welcome to the AI revolution. There's my photo, important information that you need to know, kind of letting them know, hey guys, this is it. Like, because I had somebody post on my other YouTube video of like, oh, this is just, you know, a Ponzi scheme or whatever. There will never be any real products here, but here it is, guys. So, you know, main website to the link, join the Facebook group, the support, income proof video, Zoom presentations are at noon, 8 and 10, the meeting ID. Here's the first video I made, okay? So I haven't sent this yet, but the tedious part will be when you go to contacts. I'll block these out, but I'm just basically adding, but when you go to add a contact, you add it here, put in their name, their email. It looks like maybe we can even do text messages and calls, which would be crazy. I'm just doing email right now. So, you know, basically I'm just putting first, last name, putting the email, and then I think you do have to choose a time zone. If I don't know, I'm just putting everyone as EST, and then you hit save. All right, stop the presses, guys. This is amazing. I don't even have to make all these videos for you because they already have them. So just click on Training Center. This guy will give you a little welcome video. And then you can come down here, how to set up forms, working with funnels and sites, working with websites, sending email messages, sending SMS, the launch pad, working with live chat widgets, adding legal docs, marketing tab, working with funnels 3, adding a phone. So all the training is right there. All right, so I'm excited, guys. We have an awesome system here, getting paid with Bitcoin instantly and automatically, leveraging an AI system to use for digital marketing with any business that we have. This is absolutely next level. You can see people are making lots of money with this and crushing it, but you have to be active. Don't waste this opportunity, guys. The window only stays open for so long. The people who take this serious, invite people, grow their teams, help more people are going to be the ones that win. If you're just going to sit there and wait for spillover, you're probably going to lose. Will it come? Maybe. But why wait for it? Create the opportunity for yourself. All right, if you guys need anything, reach out, lace up, let's get wealthy. Peace.